Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel and to the CraftStash YouTube Hop. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you will enjoy tutorials from CraftStash team. You will find full list of everyone joining in the hop on the website and in the description box below. Also, you can enjoy 20% off on some of the products, and if you are VIP, you will get VIP discount on top as well. So today I'm working with a textures collection. Actually, it's Papercraft Society box number 48, designed by Luke Collins with a texture product. So as you can see, I've got some elements ready on my desk, and I will show you what I'm using. I'm actually stamped this stack of pumpkins, some mushrooms, and I'm going to stamp a sentiment later on. And I also die cut that stacked pumpkins with that cutting die. As you can see, I colored them. I use tri-blend Spectrum Noir alcohol markers, but you can use any markers you like. And of course, if you're using alcohol markers, you need to use some alcohol proof ink. I'm using that one from Spectrum Noir. I will try to link all the products below the video, and make sure you go over to CraftStash YouTube channel as well, because they're having a prize for everyone who's going to subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to put all the information below the video, so just in case I miss something. So I also die cut those leaves over here. And what else? I'm going to stamp this happy birthday from us all later on. So let me put it aside so I can start this video. Hope it's not going to be long. I try to prepare as many elements as possible so I can actually enjoy this one. So I'm working on white card blank, and this one is 5 3/4 of an inch square with a top fold. I love using this type of card fold. It's my favorite. And this one is Creative Craft Products bookbinding glue. So let me place this one on my card blank, and then I'm going to actually distress my edges off from that mat as well. So let me do that. Let me find my distress tool. Or actually, before that, I think I'm going to use my tool to create false stitching as well. That's what I like to do sometimes, and I think it gives more interest to my projects, and I like using that. So if you want to know where to get it, I can give you some information below the video. So this one is adhered, and I'm going to add the glue. So this one measures 5 1/4 of an inch, and as you can see, I'm adding the glue just a centimeters off the edges, because this way I can do something like this. I can lift off those edges a little bit and create more rustic look. So this one is done, and now I've got a panel which measures, let me see, 2.5 by 5.5 inch, and this one is 2 1/4 by 5 1/4. So let me add here the layer on top of that mat. And I think it would be nice if that panel, if I adhere that panel with 3D foam pads I've got, but I always adding some glue as well, just in case. So I've got this foam pad, and I think this one will look really nice. So as I said, I die cut some of those leaves in a white card, but I want to show you how to create these beautiful leaves using Distress Oxide inks. So for those leaves, I'm using Wild Honey, Distress Oxide, Candied Apple, and Rustic Wilderness. those 3 colors. I'm going to grab a messy mat, and I need few more of those leaves, so let me put it this way. I need a leaf, and I'm going with the candied apple, a wild honey, and I'm going to add a little bit of that rustic wilderness. And you can blend those colors together to create this nice look, and I really like to use actually that wild honey to blend those colors together. You can go over the whole leaf with that color. And because I think I've got enough, I just wanted to show you how to use those inks. So let me put this away. Now I can use those leaves to create a composition. So I was thinking to actually put them under that panel. So let me just do a dry run to see how I want to place all of those elements. And of course I'm going to use the pumpkin, and I need a little bit of a lift on that pumpkin. So again, I'm going to use 3D foam pads. So this is very quick and easy card to make. So I'm going to keep it aside, and now I think it's time to stamp that sentiment. So I think I'm going to pick that happy birthday from us all, and I need a white card and my Creative Craft Products stamping platform. I love this one. So if you haven't used this one before, I'm going to link it below the video so you can check it out. And of course, because it's a CraftStash YouTube hop, there are a lot of offers, so you will find the link at the end of the video telling you who's next in line, so you can check that one. You can also you will also find a link to CraftStash main starting video, and also to the CraftStash website page, where you can find all the products which are on offer. So you're going to get 20% off those products, and if you are a VIP member, of course you're going to get 10% extra. So I think it's worth to check it out. I don't know if you took part in our previous CraftStash YouTube hop, and we had a really lot of nice products on offer with a discount. So I hope you will like those as well. And of course, check out, if you're not a VIP member yet, then have a look, because you get a lot of discounts and a lot of special offers and previews for all the new launches. Plus you can subscribe to a newsletter, and you will get every day an email with latest offers. So I think that's fantastic as well. So let me cut that sentiment. So I've got my sentiment, and let me put this card together. So I think it's time to add a little bit of glue on those leaves. So I'm just placing them randomly, because I just want that composition to be a little bit more interesting. So I'm doing that, and of course I need to release the backing paper from that panel. And let me use my mat just to put this panel straight. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, you can see that, and those leaves are looking really pretty. I'm going to add the sentiment just to make sure that I've got space for everything. So I'm going to place this sentiment. I'm just thinking, should I put it a bit higher? No, it's fine, because I added a foam pad on this section just to level it up with that panel, and I think that's fine. add here that here. And now I was actually thinking to add a little bit more texture by putting scissor here. So let me grab my hot glue gun and add here that. I love adding scissor. I think it gives this fantastic look and it gives more texture to any project. So I'm leaving it like this, and of course you have to make sure that you don't burn yourself. Be very careful. And now I can add here those pumpkins, and we can build up the composition even more. And you see those leaves and a scissor, I think looks really good. Let me add more leaves, and because I've got quite a few of them, and I think it will look really nice with those. So why not? Maybe for speed, of course, you can use hot glue if you want to. It's all up to you. And I think I will add one more here. Maybe here. Let me think about it. So now I think I will go for those mushrooms, and shall I? No, I'm going to adhere them flat. And maybe another pumpkin here. And one more mushroom, why not? Actually add it here behind it. So you can, it's all up to you how you layer your embellishments or your ephemera pieces, or those bits and pieces you created, because there are so many of those beautiful stamps in that Paper Craft Society box that you can actually play and stamp even more of those. So it's all up to you. Okay, so I think I'm happy with this composition. Let me just see. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Do I want to add another leaf? Maybe over here. Let me see. I think I will add it just here on the side. So, and as you can see, my card is finished, and I hope you like this one. It has lots of layers, it has lots of texture as well, and different colors. You can see that these are really pretty. And if you don't know Paper Craft Society number 48, I'm going to link it below the video so you can check it out. Also remember that at the end of the video you will find a link to the next person in the Hop Plus CraftStash website page with all the products which are on 20% discount, and a link back to CraftStash main starting video. Remember to enjoy the discount, subscribe to CraftStash newsletter for exclusive access to daily deals, sales and launches, and yes, I hope you enjoy all these videos and the discounts we've got for you guys. And if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't seen my videos and if you are new to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.